Open Google Chrome and search freeconferencecall.com. Once it's open, click on the second link, that is free audio conferencing. Now there are two possibilities: either you are a first time user or else you already have an account on free conference call. Assuming that you are a first time user, enter your email ID. I'll show you an example. And click on create my free account if you are a first time user. Now once you log in, you'll have to, for the first time if you are using, click on download our free app. Click on get desktop app. If you are using Mac, Apple, Windows, Linux, etc., I am using Windows. I'll show you for Windows. Click on download for Windows. Such a screen will pop out, and on the left hand side bottom you will see that an app is getting installed. I'll just close this window. Let us wait till it gets installed. Okay, so once it is downloaded, click on it and it will install. Wait for a minute or two. You can see that the app has been installed, and automatically it will get clicked on host. If it doesn't get clicked, click on host. This will be the screen. Click on join with computer audio. This one. Click on join with computer audio. Select continue. Now this will be the screen.
Welcome and thank you for choosing freeconferencecall.com. You are helping people around the world communicate for free. You are the only participant in the conference.
Some things to take care of. Make sure you are not muted. This means that it is on. If I click on it, it will go red. That means it is off. Make sure it is on. If you want to turn on or your video, you can click on it. I am not starting it over here. Now what you will have to do is click on share, click on mobile PC, and click on start sharing. It will get minimized and you can see a green line will appear all around it border. This means that your screen has started sharing. Now just whatever you want to show, the PPT, Word file, document, just open it directly. And it will start sharing, right? So the students will be able to see this screen. If you want to stop sharing, click on share and click on stop sharing, so it will stop the sharing. If you want to share the link, click on invite. So here you can see what will be your meeting ID, your access code. Just click on copy to clipboard and send it, or send a screenshot or photo of this to the students. If you want to see who all is attending your, click on attendees over here. So right hand side you will be able to see who all are attending. Currently I am the only participant, so it's showing only one. Now important is this mode. You can click on mode and go to lecture mode.
All participants are muted.
In case of lecture mode, the student's mic will be automatically muted, so their voice will not be audible to you. Only your voice will be able to be heard to all the students, right? If you want to ask something, go downstairs over here. Behind beside attendees there is an option called as chat. Click on it, chat. You can ask, right? This is the thing that you can be doing. So after you complete it, click on leave. Do you want to leave the meeting? There will be two options. While you take, it will be end and leave. You can either click on end, that will end for all, and if you want to leave, so click on leave. Anything, nothing important, just click on yes and it gets over.